this entire thing is you can access from your phone also, and we've already probably given you the link earlier so that you can go through everything and then we can have more discussion so that I don't have to dwell on this too much as we have some demonstration to do. And of course I apologize for keeping you all waiting. It's almost probably half an hour. And before that I must introduce you to our team here. And yeah, some of them have also done night duties, so if they're asleep, we'll have to wake them up when the turn comes. Now we have Dr. Himaja here, who's our MD student. Then we have Dr. Sriteja, our MD student, and Dr. Shivani, who has just finished her MBBS, and she'll be joining MD soon. And the most important members of our team, I think, are our patients. The 80-year-old Mr. Lingaya and his wife, who have been admitted with us in the last 3 days. And then we have taken the liberty to invite some of our team members who who are probably not totally connected to our formal medical education system, but they have been of utmost help to us, who are from various disciplines, and they have been helping us build our system, brick by brick. So it's just, I'll be vague on that, but their contribution is immense. And here's Mr. Satish and Madam Sailaja, who has come all the way. And then I can identify in the audience Professor Sharma, Professor Sadhana Sharma. She is a professor of medicine from Molla Reddy Institute. She was in NRI Medical College before this. And she's also a part of our team who is collaborating with us to help develop our healthcare, I should say. We are not applications developers. That's one very important difference with us, that we are not developers. So we are actually more of users. So our perspective will be largely from the user perspective. And so first, when we got this thing, the title was given to us by Sir, Technology and User Driven Healthcare Ecosystem. Of course, Sir said something about the technology and user, and I added the user-driven ecosystem of healthcare because we have done some work on that. So I was just thinking, before this I never thought about it. What if I break up technology etymologically? So if I break up, what does it mean? So I was very fascinated to see that Wikipedia, of course Wikipedia is a big help everywhere, it tells that it comes from the Greek word tekne. And tekne in Greek actually means art. So that was a kind of a shocker, like technology, we never thought of it as art, but yeah, that's what it seems to be. And art, craft is what technology is. And yes, ology is basically what a suffix is used. Now, I was even more surprised to see this diagram, this picture, in the same Wiki page where they talked about tekne. Tekne is just a word with a Wiki page, and this is the picture they used. So I was wondering, why have they chosen healthcare to represent tekne? So it kind of dawned upon me that perhaps this was the earliest use of technology in humankind. Because we often say it's the art of medicine, and then slowly the science comes in. Now we'll also go into what science is, literally again. So this healthcare art, how did it come into being? How did early humans, learn to develop this kind of a technology for taking care of each other? You see, this taking care of each other is a very, very distinctive feature in human beings. You don't see other animals taking care of other animals. Other animals take care of themselves. Like if a dog gets ill, he can go and eat some herbs which only the dog knows how and why it is beneficial. And humans can learn from them that this could be a cure for that. But they don't care for each other in the way we do. So this technology of caring for each other was one of a kind which was brought to us through human evolution. Now, as humans were growing into this healthcare part, they of course needed to develop a map, because when somebody becomes ill, it's almost like a journey which is beginning. Like I have developed this problem and I'm having cough, so it starts a journey where if I'm lucky it might just take 2 days to get alright and I might reach my destination, which is I'm good. But it might be the beginning of a cancer. And slowly my cough turns into blood in the sputum. And then I slowly start losing weight. So it begins a journey. So how do we fathom this journey? How do we make sense of it? And how do we know which is the way to where we want to go? Now, if I talk rhetorically, there is a saying that life is a sexually transmitted disease, and the journey starts from point B, which is birth, and ends at point D, which is death. So somebody has compared even life to an illness journey, but yes, what we can say is that